Good morning. Once you start a new business, people will give you reasons why it will fail. People will tell you why you will not succeed in that new business you want to do. People will give you many reasons. Rejections will come from left, right, and center. Rejection everywhere. People will reject you. Now, there are two types of rejection. We have the positive rejection and the negative rejection. Now, let me start from the negative rejection. Negative rejection comes from people who hate you for no reason, people who just detest you, people who are jealous of you, people who don't like you at all, just for no reason. There can be people living in your compound, or people living close by, or there can be people from your village, and so on and so forth. They don't want you to succeed. Now, how do you deal with these people? Number one, do not listen to them. No matter what they say, don't listen to them, because they don't say the reality. What they usually say is how they feel about you. That's what they say. They don't say anything good about you. It's only their feeling. That's what they portray. So do not listen to them. Number two, never share your plans with them. If you have any plan, whatever plan you have to propel your business to a greater height, do not tell them. Always keep mute. Don't tell them. Even when they try to ask you some questions and so on and so forth, keep mute. Don't share your plans with them. Also, number three, do not shine in their presence. Don't ever shine in their presence. Always hide whatever you've achieved. Always keep it apart. Don't ever showcase what you have. Don't go to Facebook and all that and showcase what you have. If you want to showcase whatever you've achieved on Facebook, find a way and block them, because it's better you close that gap as early as possible, so that they cannot find a way to destroy you and so on and so forth, because these people are very, very dangerous. So that is it. That is negative rejection. Then some persons, they have what we call positive rejection against you. They have positive rejection. What is the positive rejection? These people are somehow they are probably your parents, your siblings, and so on and so forth. Now, their own is that number one, they believe that those things that they cannot achieve, that you cannot also achieve it in life. Things that they did not achieve, things they find difficult to achieve in life, that you too, you cannot achieve it because they did not achieve it. That is it. Number two, they are too caring, very, very caring. That is one thing about them. Our parents, our siblings, and so on. So they are so caring to the extent that they don't want us to fail. They're afraid of us failing. They're afraid of us doing something and fail. So because of that, they don't want us to try anything at all. So they're telling you not to do this thing or not to engage in a particular business, so that you will not fail, because they are afraid. And also number three, most of our parents, most of our siblings, most of our relatives, they are afraid by nature. Because they are fearful, they are afraid, they do not do anything, they cannot do anything. So as they believe that they cannot do anything to achieve success, you too cannot also do anything to achieve what? Success. They are afraid as well. Now, these people, how are you going to do with them also? Your parents, your siblings, and so on and so forth. For them, don't listen to them as well. Do not listen to them. Whatever they say, do not listen to them, because them too, they are not saying the reality. They are saying things based on how they believe they are, based on their ability. That is what they use to judge you. So do not ever listen to them. That is number one. Number two, explain their flaws to them. Explain their flaws and their weaknesses to them. Tell them that this thing they did not achieve, because of that they believe that you cannot achieve it. Your name and their name, is it the same? You explain to them, show them their flaws, and when you show them their flaws, you can even help them to achieve their goal. And also, if possible, tell them to stop putting you down. Warn them, give them a serious warning to stop putting you down. That nothing they can do that can stop you. That destiny cannot be denied, but can only be delayed. Let them know that they should not be doing all these things to stop you, that you can never ever stop. So the major thing now is to find out who is in the positive rejection and who is in the negative rejection. Thank you very much, and God bless you.